Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some new fast food locations that have opened up in Jamaica. Burger King has opened two new restaurants in St. Catherine, one in Spanish Town and one in Angels, and they've also opened up a Little Caesars and a Popeyes location. Now all four are Burger King, Popeyes, Little Caesars, and Dunkin' Donuts are all owned by the same company, or the franchise is operated by the same company in Jamaica. So Popeyes and Burger King opened up by Angels. We have videos up of the facility and we'll give you an update on them shortly. And Burger King and Little Caesars opened up in on Burke Road in Spanish Town. So Burger King is the number 2 fast food chain in Jamaica. KFC is number 1 by far. But Burger King is expanding and they're opening up a lot more stores around Jamaica. I'm actually very surprised to know they don't have a store open in Draxhall yet, or even Falmouth. KFC has locations in both areas. I'm very surprised that Burger King hasn't opened up locations there yet. Spanish Town is good, Angels is good, but they need to get into Draxhall and Trelawney and Falmouth, I should say. Alright, so we're going to open up, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the opening up of these restaurants. And guys, let me ask you, where else in Jamaica do you think they should open up a Burger King store? Okay. Leave your comments in the section below. Restaurant Associates Limited, a key player in Jamaica's quick service restaurant industry, has made a bold move to strengthen its presence in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The expansion represents continued investments by RAL in one of Jamaica's fastest growing urban centers, generating over 100 jobs and strengthening the company's presence in the quick service industry. One of RAL's new Popeyes restaurants, as well as the new Little Caesars branch, are located on Burke Road, while the other newly launched Popeyes and the Burger King are located at Angels. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. So it's actually one Burger King that's opened and two Popeyes and one Little Caesars. I think at the beginning we had said it was two Burger Kings, but it's one Burger King, two Popeyes locations, and a Little Caesars. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we have videos up of the Angels location. So we will give you videos of the Burke Road location very soon. Alright guys, have a good day.